Hi, for today's video, we will see how to calibrate a multimeter. First, when you open the box, you will see a multimeter. Next, we also got a probe. This probe have two colors, it is red and black. For a red color, it stands for a positive terminal, and for a black color, it stands for a negative terminal. Firstly, put the probe to the input and change to the any scales of ohm that you want. For us, I use a timestamp for the ohms, and for the calibration, you will need to touch the negative terminal and the positive terminal at the same time and start reading and measure it to the 0 scale. Here's the result. After we done calibrate our multimeter, next we're going to measure the current.
Hi guys, come here. We teach you how to measure a current with a multimeter. What we need is power supply, resistor, and multimeter. First of all, we need to measure our power supply. So I will use 10 volt for now. Okay.
Yeah.
You need to change this multimeter to a volt. You can get 50 volt because we will use 10 volt here. So this
to measure current, first you need to set a voltage supply to a 10 volt and you will see a positive terminal and also a negative terminal. Like I said, a positive terminal to the positive terminal and a negative terminal to the negative terminal, and you will see from the multimeter it shows that the reading is to the 10 volt.
the crocodile tube and put it here. First you put it here. Put it here one, and you put it here one more, the negative one. With a negative one.
Now we're gonna use only one resistor with the same volt.